Officially, late Chadian President Idriss Deby died on the battlefield a year ago fighting Islamist insurgents. The Transitional Military Council took power immediately afterwards, led by his son, Mahamat Idriss Deby, igniting protests in N'Djamena and other parts of the country, leading to several people being killed by the security forces, according to human rights activists.
The police has shot him at close range and intentionally. When he fell, he told his friends to call me. Even so, I regret his death. He won't come back. He's gone.
The Wakitama, a coalition of opposition parties and civil society groups, have been among those who opposed the late president, especially when Idriss Deby decided to change the constitution and run for a sixth term in office. Now they continue to oppose his son, whom they accuse of carrying out a constitutional coup.
17 activists who were protesting were shot on April 27. They were killed for marching to demand that the transition be inclusive. Today, the authorities say yes, they agree with the dialogue, but they want to be at the helm of this dialogue, to set the agenda themselves, define the criteria for fair participation themselves, define the terms of the dialogue themselves.
Eux-mêmes, les modalités de ce dialogue.
The military junta denied any killings during the protests. 5 months after taking power, it also appointed an interim parliament to pave the way for free and fair elections. But the future of the country depends on a dialogue that must bring together rebel groups, civilian opposition parties, and the transitional government.
We hope to be able to complete the transition within 18 months. This is our goal. Meantime, we will see in practice if this deadline can be met or if there will be a slight slippage. But that, we must already hold the dialogue and we must see the legal deadlines. Are we able to organize the dialogue? We are not there yet.
Postponed several times, the inclusive national dialogue, which should bring together all Chadians, has yet to happen. A year after the Transitional Military Council took power following the death of Marshal Idriss Deby, many here doubt that the ruling junta will respect the 18th-month transition to democracy announced a year ago.
Chad is Africa's fifth largest country and is surrounded by 6 states, all of which are fighting Islamist groups. Peace and stability in the Sahel region depend largely on whether Chad will manage the aftermath of the sudden death of its long-serving leader. Emery Makumeno, BBC News, N'Djamena.